Hey, hi friends, Sam here. In this video I am taking one question, and this question I got from tester. So Smita is the name of this tester, and Smita called me up and asked this question. Sam, I am from testing background. I do have 3+ years of experience, but somehow in the testing I am not getting sufficient deserving opportunities in the market. What to do? Now let me tell you friends, you need to get into product development kind of role, product developer. I am saying developer, I'm not saying programmer. Okay, so whenever you are coming from testing background, all due respect, let me tell you that after few number of years, so like Smita have spent like 3+ years and she got stuck, so somehow in testing, as I said, all due respect, but somehow in testing you stuck up after few years and you don't see any growth, but if you see developer role, then you can be developer, you can be like designer, you can be architect, and let me tell you is that architect is the most premium role in our industry, highly paid role. So you get the complete growth plan whenever you get into developer. Now the next thing, Smita, tell me, Sam, I don't have any programming background, how I can be developer? So my answer was, see, I'm suggesting you developer role, not programmer really. So coding will not be required. Okay, so for example, I always advocate developer role, maybe MuleSoft, Salesforce, TIBCO, this kind of products, and you can be developer in this area. But you cannot just directly jump into the developer role. What I do, I get into the discussion with you and I understand your complete background. Now Smita's background is different, your background may be different. Even if you are coming from testing or similar background, still your background, your experience, your previous thing, your aspiration, that will be different. That I understand in our discussion. Then I create step-by-step roadmap for you. So just 2 months you have to give me, and a couple of hours every day you have to commit, and I will tell you what to do in this time. Step-by-step roadmap I do create, which includes project, which includes case studies and so many things. It's like a military kind of roadmap which actually make you equivalent to experienced professional in the developer role. So I gave that kind of roadmap to Smita. She followed that and then transformed from tester into developer. And after 2 months, she got into the developer job. Okay, so she has chosen Salesforce developer, so she got into Salesforce developer. Now for your background it may be different, for your case it may be different role I will suggest, but for that you need to get into the discussion with me. So if you feel you are also facing problem like Smita, not having many opportunities in the market in your current skill, let it be testing, let it be Java, let it be IIB, let it be EDI, let it be .NET, let it be any damn skill where opportunities are not there in the market, just ping me on WhatsApp. I'm giving my number over here. My WhatsApp number is here, and I'm also giving the form link where you can put your name, email ID and WhatsApp. We don't spam your WhatsApp, but we can ping your WhatsApp number, for the discussion and all. You can fill that form. So I'm giving that form link over here, and my WhatsApp number is also there, of course. So just go ahead and fill that form and you will get ping from my team, or I'll myself will ping you. That's not the problem. Okay, and I will create step-by-step roadmap for you. In 2 months of time, you can target some product developer role. I don't suggest technological role really. Product developer role which require minimal coding. And don't worry, in my roadmap, I will also include your no coding background or no programming background, So don't worry about that. My roadmap will take care of that. So once you follow this roadmap, 2 hours every day you need to give, and you need to give me your 2 months of time, and you will get into your product developer role, where lot of opportunities are in the market, where you will get the deserving salary, where you will have the next growth plan also ready for your 10-15 years ahead in your IT career, you know. So take the decision right now. I'm always around to help. Ping me on WhatsApp or fill the form for the roadmap, and we will have the discussion. Okay, and let's see how it goes, and let's see what role I suggest for you. Okay, so I'm always around to help. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.